Okay, I am going to do a video tonight, and I figured, today's video is going to be a ranting video. I'm still gonna do a rant on modern world history. I haven't felt like doing it yet, and we got midterm exams in school this week, and so yeah, but, today's video, again, it's going to be a rant, but it's not going to be on modern world history. It's going to be, this rant's going to be about math class. I cannot stand math class, and all the shit that we do in math class is so stupid, and plus we've learned some of this crap previous school years already. We already know most of the stuff that we do in math. And I have my math folder with me, so I can show you some of the crap that we do in math class. I'm just showing some examples on the piece of paper right here. Round to the nearest 10. Round to the nearest 100. Oh my god, how stupid is this shit? Like, when are we ever gonna use this garbage in the future? Never! I haven't even and then the next page is about a graph. How many people said camping is their favorite summer activity? What summer activity did the greatest number of people say is their favorite? Like, all this shit right here. We do this stuff in math class as well, which, of course, we've done this stuff previous school years, and we learn about adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. We learn about area, perimeter. We learn about fractions. We learn about what else? We learn about we learn about all that garbage. And we learn about rounding to the nearest 10, rounding to the nearest 100. You know, we learned all this crap previous school years. Why the frick are we learning this garbage all over again? Like, we already know how to do all this crap. And so now, since I'm a 9th grader now, and I'm a special needs student, we're actually doing algebra in math class now. I'm not even kidding you. Algebra is extremely stupid, and there's no reason why you should ever use that garbage in your future. Algebra is confusing. Algebra is impossible. Algebra is bullshit. Algebra is nothing but stupidity that shouldn't even be a part of math. Like, y plus x plus z plus a. Like, that doesn't even make any sense. Like, how the hell am I going to be able to answer that math algebra equation? Like, it doesn't even make any sense. Like, and there's so many steps to it, and like, it's so hard to even understand. And when we do division, and sometimes we do multiplication, there's always a lot of there's always so many steps that we gotta do, and like, it's so stupid. Like, so many goddamn steps for just one problem. Like, it's really, really dumb. Like, why do we gotta have so many steps in just one problem? Show your work. Answer the question. Oh yeah, and we also have to do word problems too. What do we gotta do? We gotta show the work, right? We gotta show the stupid ass work. That's a pain in the ass, but they make us do it. They made us do it last year. They made us do it the year before. They're making us do it now. And like, it's really, really, really dumb. Like, all the crap we're doing in math is like, we've learned basically pretty much all of it, previous school years, and now like, I gotta learn algebra. Algebra sucks. Algebra is stupid. Probably one of the stupidest parts about math. Probably, like, my mom doesn't even know algebra. Like, I mean, like, I mentioned, like, it's all about numbers. What's a variable? It's a letter, but they have to be lowercase. It's so stupid and confusing. It's like really dumb. and we learn about freaking exponents and shit, where this freaking little small number, yeah, those are exponents, and they're really stupid. Like, exponents are dumb, and they're really confusing. Like, a lot of crap that we do in math class is confusing. Pretty much all the crap that we do in math class is confusing. But yeah, this is the small rant on freaking math class. I know it's a terrible video. I mean, there could be improvements, but freaking, you know, I can't stand math, and I can't freaking stand all the garbage that they make us do. You know, math class should not be mandatory. It should be optional. If we don't want to learn math, don't make us freaking learn it. You know, I understand some shit in math is important. I totally understand, but it should not be a requirement. That is really stupid, I swear. You know, like, what's the point? Especially algebra. What's important about algebra? And also fractions. Shade, blah, I can't frickin' talk. Shade in 1/4 of the pizza. You gotta shade in the frickin' 1/4. So that there's 4 pieces in all. You gotta shade in one of them. It's so easy. We learned that crap already. Why are you making us learn all this garbage over and over again? And I apologize that I can't talk right now. But yeah, freaking fractions we know how to do fractions already. We know how to shade in, you know, what has to be shaded in. You know, it's not like we don't know it. Of course we know it. We're not freaking stupid. So we learned fractions already. We learned how to multiply and add and subtract and divide and crap. We learned how to freaking, you know what I'm saying, okay? I'm gonna end off the rant here. I'm about to run out of space and freaking. But yeah, this is my small rant on math. Maybe I'll do a part two rant on math and how much it sucks. But yeah, this is basically a part 1 rant. If I do a part 2 rant, it's gonna be a part 2 of me ranting on math. But just want you guys to know this is my part 1 rant on math. So yeah. So again, I apologize. This video is not the best, but I couldn't do some improvements. But yeah. Have an awesome rest of your day, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.